Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Phoebe Nubisi, and today I will walk you through a video on the process how to publish your Microsoft 365 Copilot agent and deploy it on Teams, Microsoft Teams, and also deploying it on Microsoft 365 Copilot. If you have ever seen the kind of error that says you don't have access to talk to this bot, if you were maybe shared a link for an agent, so in this video you will learn why the no access and how to correctly share your agents with the users, how to set the right authentication, how to submit your agent to the organization catalog for Teams approvals, how to approve your own agent when you are like global admin, when to maybe send it to the Microsoft 365 Teams admin center, the person that handles that, and many more things. And the tech stack that we use here is Microsoft Copilot Studio, of course, and Microsoft 365 Copilot, Microsoft Teams Admin Center. We also use Microsoft 365 Admin Center as well, and the Power Platform Admin Center. Let's get into it, guys. Yes. So we have our agent that is called scheduling agent. We already built it. When you click on the share button here, I've already assigned it to two people in the organization, me myself as the owner, but right now myself, I'm not able to access it on Teams. And if I go to Teams and I click on plus apps, I type scheduling agent, it's not there, it's not accessible. None of them are also able to access it. If I go to Microsoft agent, I have all my agents here. I can click all agents and I have the scheduling agent here. So on the scheduling agent, I will make it look bigger. We can see that I am the owner, but there's no publisher name. It says your developer name, and also instruction, there's no instruction here. And if you click on the user tab, it says shared with 0 users, no group. And yeah, so previously I was coming here to click on assign new, but this assign new has a different functionality because it says assign new owner. That's not what we want to do. We don't want to assign new owner to this. So let's go back to Copilot Studio and we click on publish. When we click on publish here, we will start with the Teams approvals. It shows show install. So here you have two options. You can download the package and go to the admin center to install it, or you can submit to the catalog. Yes, you can do that. It says not submitted. Get your agent ready. Admins can feature your agent prominently as an app imbued by the organization section of Microsoft Teams pre-install for users in your organization and more. So if we do this, it will pre-install to all organization. So what it asks me to do, it says Teams authentication SSO configuration. When using manual authentication with Azure AD, you can configure Teams for SSO. You will need this app ID to construct the correct configuration information. Let me try to do without it. I will say yes, submit. Check your connection and try. Let's go back and click on edit details and click more. It doesn't have an app ID, it has a generic app ID. Let's try to use this. Let's see what happens. Let's click on availability option, submit. Let's submit it like this. If it gives an error, let's put that at ID. It's not even allowing me to paste it. Alright, guys, so I made a great discovery. Yes, the great discovery is that with the new release of Microsoft, because they have just released a new display, a new experience of Copilot Studio. With this release, there is an issue. The issue is that when I click available options, it doesn't put automatically the app ID. I'm not sure what is the reason. Normally, it should put the app ID. If I go to Azure Entra, I have the app ID here already for this agent. So normally, it should be available also in the agent as well, but it's not. But the thing is that to just test that nothing is wrong with what I've done, I have built another agent here just to state. I call it test agent. I just put some random tools inside and then I published it. And then when I click on channels, I click on Microsoft channels and I click on availability options. You see that I have the app ID here and I was able to submit to the catalog on Teams. Why do we do this? So that we can pre-install on all the users if you want all the users to have access to this. So since it already sent the request, if I click availability option, it says that it's waiting for approval from my admin. I will go to Teams admin center. I should have it somewhere here. Let's see, maybe it could be on manage apps. It could be here. Let's see. I see pending approval. There is one, you see. So the issue is definitely not us, but we need to find out what Microsoft has done here. But with the old experience, we can approve that. We can definitely approve this one. Let's click on it. Let's search for it. It's right here, and then I can approve it. It's blocked, and then I can approve it and turn it on. We will not do that now because that's not the purpose of this video. It was just to make sure that we were doing things right. But the good things also with this is that the people that have, since it's already activated for Microsoft 365 Copilot, the people that have access to Microsoft 365 Copilot and Teams, they can see the agent. Let me just click see agent in Teams. I don't want actually to open in Teams because you will not be able to see it on your side. Allow Teams to open links to the types. Let me open in Teams. It's actually opening it here. I will click add. You will not be able to see it on your side. I believe so because here I'm on Teams, but I will just click add. And once I add it, and I come back here on the Teams itself, I should be able to see it here. It's already amongst my view app. You see, I have Copilot here. I hope I was not adding the wrong app. I was searching for scheduling app and not that one. Let's search for okay. I was testing a wrong application. Let's open the right application, the right agent. This is our agent that we were working on. I was opening a wrong one. So let's do it again. We already published. And then let's just open it in Teams. I will give it permission and open it. So I will pin it here so that we can access it. Let me refresh the screen so you can see what happens on my cloud one, not the desktop one. So It's right here. So this is the scheduling agent. So it's really available. So let's list my drop off for this month. Let's query it. So while it's doing that, let's go back to the agent and let's open it in Microsoft 365 Copilot as well. Here it is. List my top of this month. He said, I will be happy to put your drop off. I just need one thing, your user ID. Use my email. This is so interesting how it's not able to resolve my email. Like, come on. That's one thing that I need to work on to understand why it's not able to resolve my email directly. And I have to type it. I'm pretty sure this one too will do the same. Yeah, I would just say, what is the estimate hours on each of these parts? Oh, I see that they are trying to pull up the same flow at the same time. That makes the conjunction. Okay, so I would say update all of them to 1 hour. Reason, new change for today. So I would say globally, the agent is working everywhere. It's working here on Teams, it's working on 365. We cannot run both at the same time. That's what it shows, the connection issue. I have so many windows open. It shows the connection issues because I'm doing it at the same time here. So here's analyzing. It's telling me that it's approval needed. Oh my god. Sure. Use as approval. So we have tested it. We have seen how we can share the agent, how we can approve it when we want to make it accessible to the whole organization. Also, you can download the file and upload it manually on Microsoft Teams Admin Center as well. That's another option. We are not really interested in that. It's sending me the approval since I asked for it. So let's approve it. I will approve the other one as well. It says both approvals came back approved. Now let me see the final estimate. Yeah, so everything works perfectly. Let me know if you have any questions. It's so interesting how with the new experience you are not able to really submit to our catalog to roll out to all the people in the company. But make sure also for it to work, it has to be authenticated with Microsoft. Yes. Let me know if you have any more questions as well. And I think that will be it for today. Thank you. Ciao.